1954 Chevy Bel, blue flame engine, 6-cylinder. Yeah, back in the small block came out, I think, after this. So, and when the small block V8 came out, 265, the 125 is, I believe, the horsepower. That's not the cubic inches, I know that. But these 6-cylinders are actually pretty strong. They always were. I mean, they had a 306, I think, or a 292.6 for the trucks for a while later on. And this was a common color here back then. Sometimes you'd have the turquoise or the baby blue with the off-white, oyster white. Convertible, white top, white interior. You can take a look on the inside here. Matching interior. That was the thing back in the day. You get pretty much any color combination you wanted. Later on now it's just tan or gray. And this dash was made to look like a jukebox. The speaker for the radio was behind that, and then you can see the glove compartment has a trim, and it looked like a speaker trim, so it looks like a big jukebox. You see the instrumentation out there, and see, even as the 54 and the 55 was like a breakthrough design, the 54 has a lot of styling going for it too, a lot. This is an upgraded, a lot of upgraded trim on this car too. Power glide transmission, which is, I believe that's a 2-speed. That is a 2-speed transmission. But a very strong, reliable transmission. Fender skirts, wide white walls, bumper guards. Actually, if you ever make like a hot rod, that's a hot rod. That 6-cylinder Chevy's a good motor to put in there versus the V8. It's so lightweight, don't matter, long as it go. You get some horsepower of those 6-cylinder Chevys too. Sweet ride, 1954 Chevy Bel.